Hello kids, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. So today we will be starting with the poem The Maruk. This is chapter number 5. तो आज हम क्या स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं? एक पोएम और पोएम का नाम है The Marug. Now anyone can tell me what is the meaning of Marug? It's a creature from Mars. Universe, do you know? Universe is still unexplored and there are many things. We really become excited when we see so many stars, sun, moon in the sky. And we hear about different planets. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं हमारे यूनिवर्स में. So the poet is telling about an imaginary creature. Yes, we can say it is an imaginary creature from Mars, the Marug. And do you know who has written this poem? This poem was written by R.C. Scriven. So let's see what he says in this poem. But again, poem start करने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Warm up exercise. So see what is written, kids. Many planets, stars, satellites and other heavenly bodies exist in space. Isn't it? Yes. Space seems to hold many secrets. And man will take millions of years to discover and understand all its detail. इंसानों को क्या लग जाएंगे? मिलियंस, लाखों करोड़ों साल डिस्कवर करने के लिए कि एक्चुअली यूनिवर्स में, इस ब्रह्मांड में क्या छुपा हुआ है. बहुत कुछ है जो हमें आज तक नहीं पता है. सो इट्स अ मिस्ट्री. व्हाट इट इज? इट्स अ मिस्ट्री. So read the jokes about space given below and enjoy. So there are certain jokes. So shall we start? Why did the sun go to school? क्यों गया था भाई? To get brighter. Very funny, isn't it? Why did the cow go to outer space? To visit the Milky Way. Why? Because cow gives milk. Why do aliens not eat clowns? Aliens क्यों नहीं खाते हैं clowns को? Because they taste funny. Very funny, actually very funny. Which was the first animal in space? The cow that jumped over the moon. Why could the astronaut not book a room on the moon? क्यों नहीं कर पाया astronaut? Astronaut कौन होता है जो space में जाता है? Because it was full. It was full. So you may share your own jokes and about space and aliens in the class. आपके पास भी कुछ jokes हो तो आप definitely share करिए. Okay, now coming to the poem, The Marung. So Marung इसमें क्या बता रहा है? The creature who has come from universe. What that creature has to say? Can you see? This is the creature. This is the creature and creature is sitting where? On a chair with a desk. And from where he has come, वो Mars से आया है. My desk at the back of the class. पूरी एक क्लास है और मेरी डेस्क कहाँ पर है? बिल्कुल पीछे है. And nobody knows I am a Marug from Mars. किसी को नहीं पता है कि मैं एक क्रीचर हूँ जो कि मार्स से आया है. कोई क्यों नहीं? किसी को क्यों नहीं पता है? बिकॉज ये जो क्रीचर है ये इनविजिबल है. कोई भी इसको नहीं देख सकता है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ना. बट ये मैरंग सबको देख सकता है विद बॉडी ऑफ ब्रास. तो मैरंग ने क्या बताया? उसकी बॉडी कैसी है? ब्रास की बनी हुई है. एंड 17 फिंगर्स एंड टोज. कितने फिंगर्स हैं? 17 फिंगर्स हैं और 17 ही टोज है. माय गॉड, 17. सी, यू कैन सी ना ओवर हियर, टोज भी दिख रहे हैं. So, wouldn't they shriek if they knew? Now, what they are saying कि अगर उनको पता चल गया तो वो श्रीक नहीं करेंगे, वो घबरा नहीं जाएंगे, येल नहीं करेंगे. करेंगे बिकॉज उन्होंने तो कभी ऐसा क्रीचर नहीं देखा है. I have 3 eyes at the back of my head. मेरी कितनी आईज है? मैरंग ने क्या बोला? 3 eyes, वो भी हेड के बैक में. ओ माई गॉड. एंड माई हेयर इज ब्राइट पर्पल. पर्पल कलर के हेयर्स हैं. यहाँ ब्लैक दिख रहे हैं बट एक्चुअल में मैरंग के पर्पल कलर के हेयर्स हैं. एंड सी, दिस इज द क्लास, एवरीवन इज सिटिंग एंड मैरंग इज ऑल्सो सिटिंग बट नो वन कैन सी हिम. My nose is deep blue. Nose का कलर क्या है? ब्लू है. And my teeth are half yellow, half red. आधे red है, half आधे yellow है. Oh my God, very scary, isn't it? My 5 arms are silver and spiked. 5 arms हैं जो कि किस कलर के हैं? सिल्वर है और उसमें से और वो spiked है. Spiked means piercing with sharp point, means उसमें pointed है, वो निकले हुए हैं, नुकीले हैं. Can you see? इसमें से spikes नुकीले जैसे कांटे होते हैं वो निकले हुए हैं. With knives on them sharper than spears. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि उसके ऊपर क्या लगी हुई है? knives. और वो इतनी शार्प है कि वो spears से भी ज़्यादा शार्पर है कि कोई टच करेगा तो कट हो जाएगा. I could go back right now if I liked and written in million light years. So what he's saying, अगर मेरा मन होगा तो मैं वापस भी जा सकता हूँ. और कहाँ वापस जा सकता हूँ? light years, millions of light years जो कि यूनिवर्स में प्रेजेंट है. I could gobble them all. मैं सबको क्या कर सकता हूँ? खा सकता हूँ. मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी सब कुछ खा सकता हूँ. For I am 7 foot tall. और मेरी हाइट कितनी है? 7 foot की. I am very tall. And I am breathing green flames from my ears. Ears में से क्या निकल रहे हैं? Green flames. Oh my God. ये किस तरह का creature है? Whosoever will see this creature will definitely be afraid of it, isn't it? Wouldn't they yell if they knew? अब वो क्या कह रहे हैं? अगर इन सबको, बच्चों को या टीचर्स को या लोगों को पता चल गया कि मैं ऐसा हूँ तो वो क्या करेंगे? Won't they yell? They will shout, scream loudly, चिल्लाएंगे, isn't it? If they guessed that a marron was here, अगर उनको थोड़ा सा अंदाजा भी हो गया ना कि एक मैरक बैठा हुआ है, हाल खराब हो जाएंगे. हा हा, they haven't a clue. उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ हूँ. और wouldn't they tremble with fear? अब वो कह रहे हैं या तो घबरा जाएंगे या कांपने लगेंगे डर के मारे. Trembling means कांपना. Look, a marron. They would all scream and smack. वो क्या कहेंगे? अरे देखो देखो देखो, ये कौन आ गया अजीब सा, ये तो मैरन जैसा लग रहा है. A creature from the universe. और वो क्या करेंगे? They would all scream and smack. वो बहुत तेज तेज चिल्लाएंगे या एक दूसरे को ही मारने लगेंगे या खुद को ही मारने लगेंगे. Anything can happen. The blackboard would fall and the ceiling would crack. और फिर क्या होगा? blackboard ही गिर जाएगा, इतनी आवाज़ें होंगी, इतना सब कुछ हो जाएगा. और जो सीलिंग होगी, जो ऊपर की वॉल, जो ऊपर की सीलिंग है, वो पूरी क्रैक हो जाएगी. And the teacher would faint, I suppose. और टीचर वो बेचारे तो फेंट ही हो जाएगी, बेहोश हो जाएगी. But I grinned to myself sitting right at the back. But मैं खुद ही हंस रहा हूँ ये सब सोचकर. But I grinned to myself sitting right at the back and nobody knows. मैं ये सोच कर वो मैरन खुश हो रहा है कि किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. So this is the imagination of the poet, that if the marron would come to the earth, what the marron would look like and how he will think, and what all can think, what all could happen if anybody knows that the marron is sitting in the class. So written by R.C. Scriven, as I have already told you. So I hope kids, all of you enjoyed the poem, all of you liked it. Now moving to the comprehension part, but before that we will be doing the word meanings. Brass, a metal made by mixing of copper and zinc. Shriek means screaming. Tremble, shake with worry or fear, बहुत डर लगना. Gobble, eat very fast. Grin, a wide smile, as I have already told you. Now coming to the comprehension part, darken the circle of the correct options in the OMR sheet. As all of you know how to fill the OMR sheet. So Marron is an dash from Mars. He's an alien from Mars. Just a moment, kids. Yes, he's a alien. Alien from Mars. Marron has a what type of body? Brass body. Brass body. And how many fingers? 17. 17 fingers. Is that clear? Marang is breathing out what? He was breathing out green flames. Clear, kids? If the students knew that a Marang was there, they will scream. वो चिल्लाएंगे. In the classroom, the Marang sits on the back of the class. On the back of class. Clear, kids? I hope this is clear to all of you. Now coming to the fill in the blanks. Marang has dash eyes and these many fingers. What type of eyes? Marang has what type of eyes and how many fingers? He has 17 fingers and 3 eyes. 3 eyes and 17. Sorry. I wrote it wrong. 17. The spelling was wrong. 17 fingers. So this is 1 and this is 1. His arms has sharp as knives. His arms has spikes. It is spikes. Marang can, what he can do? Up all the students. He can gobble, eat. He can eat all the students, isn't it? He can gobble all the students. The teacher would faint. वो तो faint ही हो जाएगी teacher, isn't it? The teacher would faint with fear. Okay, say if the given statements are true or false. Marang was a little boy who came from China. No. Was a creature from Mars. So this is false. Marang body was of brass. Yes, this is true. He has 5 arms of silver color. No, this is false. All the students were happy to see him. No way. They will tremble with fear. So that's all, kids. Hope you have understood the comprehension well and like the poem. So take care. Goodbye. That's all for today. Thank you.